So if you're having this problem, all you need to do is go modify the registry. No! I'm Woody Huffines. I'm the nurse to go in McKinney and Frisco, Texas. This is Tech for the Untechnical. If you're watching Tech for the Untechnical and you're learning some things about computers that are not technical things, and you kind of want a high-level opportunity to figure computers out, and you run into something that says to change a registry entry, don't do it. Regedit, don't do it. Don't type it in. Don't even start there. Don't even go look at it. Don't touch it. Don't mess with it. Don't look at it. The registry is a database that sits in Windows that does a whole lot of configuration for the machine. In the old days, when I was a wee computer lad, every computer had an INI file or INI file, which was a file that was used to initiate the computer into what the settings needed to be to run that particular piece of software. Windows and about Windows XP went to the registry. And what the registry was, it was a way to get rid of all of those INI files for individual applications. Now, some applications still use INI files, but most of them have gone to using the registry. So the registry has a whole bunch of keys that the computer reads to set up the drivers and to set up the graphics card and to set up all of the operating parameters that that machine needs. And anytime you install software or there's a change in the operating system, it goes in and it creates entries in the registry. Now, a lot of times when people get a browser hijack or they get a browser hijack, let's just use that as an example. Their browser gets hijacked and then the search page goes to some odd advertising search page and they want to change it and they look up online how to fix it and then it says go to the registry and change settings in the registry. No, don't do it. If you change the wrong thing in the registry, you can turn your computer into a doorstop. It will not work. So if you're looking for something, if you're looking for a way to get rid of a piece of malware or get rid of a browser hijacking or do these things, and you are not really comfortable with what the registry does, how the registry does it, and you don't have your registry backed up, don't open the registry. We've had 3 computers in this week where somebody has messed around in the registry, and it turns out that about the only way to fix it without knowing what was there before and thereafter without a backup of the registry is to take the information off the computer, blow the operating system away, and reinstall it. So if you see something that says all you have to do is edit the registry, the answer is no. Don't edit your registry unless you are really confident and you know what you're doing. I'm Woody Huffines. I'm the nurse to go in McKinney and Frisco, Texas. This is Tech for the Untechnical. Hit the subscribe button below, notification bell, thumbs up, and leave us a comment. Have you ever gone into your registry and made registry changes?